Visit our website www.learnavi.com or download our Android application Networking Plus to practice networking quiz, interview questions and many more. For more information, check the link in the description section below. So shall we start our class today? Networking quiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here is the first question on your computer screen. Next is, you have a network ID of 192.168.10.0 and require at least 25 host ID for each subnet. With the largest amount of subnets available, which subnet mask should you assign? Here we have four options. Out of these four options, which option is the correct answer? Tell me.
Second, sir.
Second.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check whether it's correct or not. It is a wrong answer. Galat jawab.
Oh shit, yeah.
Who told second one? Why it is not second? Why it is first? Tell me. See, you have a network ID of 192.168.10.0 and require at least 24 host ID for each subnet. Okay, my requirement is 24 host ID for each subnet. So let me explain. Let's take the where it is. Wait 1 minute. Open the whiteboard here. So what we have to do is, for example, how many host bits will you take so that at least you will get 25 host addresses? So at least we need 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. We need 5 host bits, correct? So these are the 5 host bits and 3 bits are remaining in the host part, correct? So 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot, in the third octet 3 bits are reserved for the network. So if you calculate the value of these 3 network bits, you will get this one, 224. This is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, next. Next question is, with an IP address set starting with 150, you currently have 6 offices that you are treating as a subnets. Plans are in place to open 10 more offices before the end of the year. What subnet mask you use to certify the need number of subnets and maximum number of hosts available at each site? Tell me.
192.
Why 192? Try to explain the answer.
There are more 10 more officers before the end. Uh, then we have read 6 officers for that 10. Then we get 16.
Okay, very good.
We are in the third quadrant. 16.
Who will give the correct answer? I'm waiting for you all. 13 users are watching. Who have the correct answer?
192 sir.
192. क्यों होगा 192? जरा बताओ. Why 192? How?
सर
192 इसलिए होगा क्योंकि 16 हमारे पास ऑफिसेज है। हर ऑफिस के अंदर अगर एक एक हम मान के चले कि एक पीजी है उसके अंदर, तभी उसके अंदर 16 आईपी एड्रेस रिक्वायर्ड होंगे। अगर हम 240 लेके चले तो हमारे पास 16 पूरे नेट आईपी एड्रेस होंगे, ठीक है। और अगर हम 248 लेके चले तो हमारे पास होंगे 6 और 2 8 आईपी एड्रेस। वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, पहले वाला दूसरे वाला करेगा। तो ये होगा 6 और 24 32 आईपी एड्रेस होगा इसके अंदर, ठीक है। और 192 मैक्सिमम है उसके अंदर 56 और 2 58 64 आईपी एड्रेस है जो मैक्सिमम है। अगर हमें और रिक्वायर्ड होंगे तो उसमें फुलफिल हो जाएगा।
ठीक है, उतना दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। सवाल बहुत ही सिंपल है। यहाँ पे देखो क्या बता, व्हाट इट इज टेलिंग इज वी हैव 6 ऑफिसर्स राइट नाउ, ओके, एंड देयर इज प्लानिंग टू ऐड 10 मोर ऑफिसर्स, मींस 10 + 6 = 16, करेक्ट। And what we have to find here, what subnet mask should you use to satisfy the need number of subnets and maximum number of hosts. So we have found that our requirement is 16 network, right? 16 subnets we need. So just you have to find how many bits will you borrow from the host so that you will get 16 networks, correct? So by default 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there is 8 bits. So if we borrow 4 bits from the host, it is going to become 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, correct? Just have to find the value of these 4 bits because these are the network bits. 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 4. What is the correct answer? Tell me. It is 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, 14 plus 6 is equal to 20, carry 2, 6 to 8, 8, 3, 11, 11 to 13 on 1, 14, 4, carry 1 and 1, 240. Let's choose this one and see whether it is correct or not. It is correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Clear? समझ में आया क्या बोला मैं? Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
One more bit.
Okay. Once more you want to explain?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. See, if you are attending interview,
Yes, sir. Once more.
Okay. See, if you are attending interview, they are going to ask you like this only tricky questions. Okay. So that is why you have to prepare for these things. What I have told here is, see, currently we have 6 offices available. Okay. There is a planning to add 10 more offices in the end to the end of this year. Correct. So all total we need 16 offices, right? 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. Means 16 network we want. Till here it is clear?
16 network means 16 routers, huh?
No. 16 network means 16 subnets. 16 subnet means 16 office. For example, you have 16 offices, so we are creating 16 subnets. Subnets or networks, it is same. Subnet or network. For example, I have
Each office is one subnet like that.
we have what here the question is, what subnet mask should you use to satisfy the need number of subnets and maximum number of hosts? Like once you find the network, it means in this network you will get maximum number of hosts, right? Just you have to find the number of network and what is the number of bits you are going to borrow from the host. Let me explain from first so that you will understand. So our requirement is 16 networks. Clear? So how many bits will you borrow from host so that you will get 16 network? The formula is 2 to the power n. N means number of bits borrowed from the host. So by default host is, in all the bits we are having 8 bits, right? So if you borrow 4 bits from the host, these 4 bits we are borrowing from the host. So 2 to the power 4 is becoming 16. Correct? So how to calculate subnet mask? Just have to find the value of network bits. 255.255.255 dot, here network bits are 4. So this value, or what is the value of this network bits? 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4. Just calculate all of these network bits, you will get 240. Clear? Clear, or still you have doubt?
Yes, sir.
See, if you have doubt, you can ask me 1000 times. I am here to explain you. Okay, because my concept is to teach you everything. So if you still you have doubt, then you can ask me.
Not clear actually.
Still not clear?
Yes, sir. Actually, we got it from you had borrowed 4 bits, and after that, how you reached 240, I still didn't get that.
Okay, wait, I'm explaining you once again. Till here it is clear, right? Our requirement is 16 network. It is clear, right?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. See, this is a, for example, this is a class C address. Okay, in class C, what I have told you, IP address is divided into 4 blocks. In each blocks we have 8 bits, correct? This is, you know,
Yes.
8 bits.
Right.
Yes.
In all of these 8 bits have certain value. For example, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So all of this value
Yes.
have one value, like certain value. For example, the first bit value is 2 to the power 0. Second bit value is 2 to the power 1. Third bit value is 2 to the power 2. Third bit value is 2 to the power 3. Fourth, here is 2 to the power 4. This bit value is 2 to the power 6. And the last one is 2 to the power 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, this one 5. Here it is 6, and last one is 2 to the power 7. Clear?
Right.
So what we are going to, requirement is 16 bits, right? For example, these are the number of network. This is a class C address. This is a number of network bits reserved for the network, right? 24 bits by default reserved for the network. So how many bits will you borrow so that you will get 16 network?
Okay, 4.
We have to
Next
borrow 4
block
bits,
we
right, from the host.
Right.
Once we borrow these 4 bits, we are getting 16 networks, correct?
Right.
So
Right.
just you have to
Right.
find the value
Okay.
of these 4 network bits, you will get the correct answer 240. Clear?
Okay.
So shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go next. This question is, you are working with a network that has the network ID 192.168.10.0. Okay, see the question carefully. You are working with a network that has a network ID 192.168.10.0. What subnet should you use that supports 4 subnets and a maximum number of hosts? It is asking what subnet mask should you use that supports 4 subnets and a maximum number of hosts. Tell me what is the correct answer.
Option C. C or A.
It is not like C or A. You will get only one chance. Just think it. Do a calculate at your own. You have copy pen paper. You have, right, with you.
No, I was
Then
in terrace.
how, see, without having you pen and copy, how you are attending the class? You cannot take the notes and all, right?
I'm recording the screen.
Oh,
Whole video.
smart guy. See, one thing, see, you always remember, see, the thing you record and the thing you write from your own hand, there is lots of differences. The thing you write by yourself, you are going to remember it, but the things you recorded, you cannot remember these things. If you write by yourself, definitely it is going to memorize on your brain. This is a logic.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
option C, 2 to 4.
इतना confidence लॉक कर दिया जाए?
Yes, sir.
क्यों होगा 2
Because
to 4?
maximum number of hosts means 2 to 4.
Okay, let's see whether it is correct or not. First of all, let me also check from my side. Okay, this is a network ID. It is telling what subnet mask should you use that supports 4 subnets. 4 subnets. You need at least 4 subnets, correct? So how many bits will you borrow so that you will get 4 subnets? We are going to borrow only 2 bits, right? 1, 2, and these 6 bits are going to become a host. So 128, this is 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6. The correct answer is what? 128 plus 64. It is going to become 8 4 12. It is going to become 192. क्या जी, हर बार गलत जवाब कैसे? See, do not get see, here it is telling maximum number of hosts, right? So leave it as, see, if you find the correct network, right? If you just to find the number of network, it is telling, see, what is your main priority? It is telling what subnet mask should you use that support 4 subnets, minimum 4 subnets the requirement, right? Understand the question. What is the main requirement? The main requirement is 4 subnets. If you find the 4 subnet means that's all. Our requirement is done, right? If you find the 4 subnet means all of these 4 subnets are getting maximum number of address only. This is the tricky part. Don't look at this. 4 subnet means what? If you're taking 4 subnets, means all these subnets are getting same equal number of IP address only, right? It is going to become 64, 64, 64, 64. Why it is different? Tell me. Is it clear or not? It should be this one.
Yeah.
Clear or doubt? You have doubt, then
Clear,
tell me.
sir.
Let's check. See, this is the correct answer.
Clear.
And I am telling you, see, whatever thing I am explaining you, also try to practice from your side, because there is around 100 submitting questions are available here. This is a level 1. I am just taking a quiz of level 1. As you cross different level, you will get little tough questions. This is just a basic questions I am asking. Okay, now let's go next. Here is a question. You are working with a network that has the network ID 172.16.0.0 and you require 25 subnets for your company and an additional 30 for the company that will merge with you within a month. Currently we have 25 subnets and you require 25 subnets. So current requirement is 25 subnets, and very soon there is also going to addition of 30 more networks. So what we have to do is, first of all, just add this one, 25 plus 30. Each network will contain approximately 600 nodes. What subnet mask should you assign? Tell the correct answer.
Six hundred nodes now. 512.
First,
192.
192, 255, 255, 192.
4.
Okay, just let's give other time. Try to solve by your end. Let's see who is telling what answer. So what is your name? Who is given this answer?
Vishal.
Vishal. Okay. Vishal has chosen option A. Okay. See guys, I am asking this question for all of you. As of now, as I am able to see here, 13 students are watching this video, but only 1 or 2 users are telling the correct answer. Are you guys sleeping?
No.
Yeah, so try to find this answer and let me know. I am just waiting for you. This question is for all of you guys, so that you can practice. You can serve your brain. These are the basic questions. They are just basics question I am asking you. I am giving you 1 minute. Just try to find, and your time starts now.
Sir, it must be option A.
It should be option A.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see.
No, sir.
No.
Vishal is changing my.
Okay, Vishal.
I am changing my answer. Answer is D. 252.
Okay, Vishal answer is D, right? And who is telling A?
I am telling first time I am telling A, but now calculating it was D. Coming D.
Vishal answer is D. Okay, anybody is telling any other answer, then tell me, confirm from your end. Okay, no one is telling, leave it. So let's choose D and let's see whether it is correct or not. Check. Sahi jawab. Congratulations. Big clap for Vishal. He has done the correct answer. So see, what is the answer I am telling here? See, the requirement is 25 subnets plus 30 subnets. Okay. So how many subnets we need total? 30 plus 25. Correct. What is the correct answer? Tell me. 5. 3 2 is 5. So all total our requirement is minimum 55 subnets with minimum approximately 600 hosts, right? All the network must have minimum 600 hosts. So what we have to do is we have to find the 55 network with minimum 600 nodes. This is a class B address because the IP address starts from 172. Correct. So for getting 55 network, how many bits you are going to borrow? If you borrow 1 bit, you will get 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. We have to borrow 6 bits. Correct. 6 bits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bits, what is the total answer? You will get 255.255.252.0. This is a class B address. In third octet we are borrowing 6 bits, so it is going to become 252, and in last octet all the bits are belongs to host, so it is going to become 0. Clear? Now see, for solving 4 questions you guys have almost taken 30 minutes. See, the time is going to end. See, only 55 seconds left. Click on next. Only 50 seconds are there. Tell me, you are working with a network that has the network ID 192.168.10.0. what subnet should you use that supports up to 25 hosts and a maximum number of subnets? Tell me. Only 35 seconds left. Tell the correct answer. Fifteen seconds left.
Uh, 240. Answer D.
Answer D. Let's check.
Right.
Oh, wrong answer. Okay, any of the quiz is over. We cannot do anything now. At least we can view the questions. Okay. Where is that question, guys? Which one?
Third, fourth one.
This one? No, not this one. 30.
Not this. Next, fifth one.
This one, right? You are working with a network.
Yes.
So here you can. This is a tricky part. See, I have asked you question 2-3 times to find the subnet mask. That was why you might have got confused to find the subnet mask only. But what I have told you, first check the priority. What is our main priority? Is telling what subnet mask should you use that supports up to 25 hosts and maximum number of subnets. Means there can be maximum number of network, but make sure on each network at least we have minimum 25 hosts. Correct? So all the time we are finding network, this time you have to find the host bits. How many host bit you will take, so that minimum you will get 25 number of host addresses. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. At least 5 bits you need, right? 5 bits you reserve for the host, and here 3 bits you are going to take for the network. So this 3 bits, how much? What is the correct answer? 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 5. The correct answer is this one. This is the correct answer. You will get 224. Clear? So that's all for tonight, guys. It's almost 11:23. I hope you have enjoyed this live session. So how many of you like this live session, or how many of you don't like this live session? Please let me know your feedback. Or if you want me to do any improvement, then please let me know so that we can do from next class. What is any suggestion, then let me know.
No, it's better.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that.
Good.
Okay. So I'm going to I will try to upload this session by tomorrow. Let's see whether it's possible. I'm not sure, but if it is good, means I will try to upload by tomorrow on my YouTube channel. You can watch there. Only this like quiz part. Okay. And anyhow, we're going to again attend the live. We're going to do this live session again on next Sunday around 9:30 or 9:45 p.m. So you can come here, and those who have not yet downloaded our application Networking Plus, whatever things you are able to see on my website, each and everything are also available on my Android application. But the difference is, see, here things are here and there, you have to search for the things, but on the application I have mentioned everything serially. Just all the buttons are available, whether you want to learn basics of networking or whether you want to learn subnetting quiz, networking quiz, everything I have mentioned serially. So no need to search for anything, you will get all of those things directly on your screen. So that is the benefit of my application Networking Plus. So if you go to Google Play Store, see, this is my application available on Google Play Store, that is 4.5 star rating. Okay, so download this application and practice quiz, and let's see, by next Sunday we're going to again do the same concept, or we're going to do a next concept. We are going to discuss on the next Sunday itself, but as of now try to practice these things. Okay, it is going to helpful for you, it is going to boost your knowledge. And my English is not good, so I am really sorry for that. Just I try to explain in my way. It was good, sir. Thank you. Though I was late, but the class was good. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone, guys. So those who are new, do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. See you soon on next Sunday. Okay. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night.